Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Pari Luthra aka Pari by default, All India rank 179 in CLAT 2024. And in today's video, as promised, we'll be talking about how to stay consistent through CLAT and what should be your CLAT mindset. So without any further ado, let's get into it. For this video, I want to keep it short, concise, yet informative and like a pep talk as well, which will serve you the purpose of motivation throughout your preparation, and I'll make sure of that. So I need you to listen for the next 8 to 10 minutes, whatever I'll be talking, and let's begin. So the first thing that I personally followed to keep in mind is that think of CLAT as a solution and not as a problem. Like for most people, it's like it's an academic problem. It's not. It is pretty much the solution to all your problems. When you'll be done with CLAT, when the results will be out, and you'll find out that you are getting into a good college. I don't think pretty much anything else will matter at that point. Even if you have like had a very average academic career, which is not a bad thing, but even if you've had and you have not really been praised throughout your academic life, this is your chance to outshine everything that you've ever done. Secondly, if you're someone who doesn't want to stay in your hometown or doesn't want to stay with your friends that you've made in your hometown, this is your chance to just outshine everyone and get into a great college and leave your hometown. And secondly, some of the people who are not really attached with their school where they've studied or to the city that they belong, again the hometown thing, this is your chance to make an escape through anything and everything. So look at it like that. Like once you're done with CLAT, 99% of your problems are gone. So whenever you keep this approach that CLAT is the solution to all your problems, you will stay consistent and end तक आप fight करोगे to get to the point where all your problems are solved. Of course, law school doesn't solve everything, but getting into a good law school does solve you a lot of problems which you're not even aware of at this point, but you'll know further. The second thing is, don't have a very rigid perception. By rigid perception, I mean for any subject, for any section, like people have it कि हम तो legal ही पहले करेंगे, हम CR करेंगे, then this mock strategy that they make. Don't be rigid with any of your strategies. Don't be rigid with your schedule also. Of course, don't skip studies, but don't be rigid with yourself कि मतलब if you have to study this at this time, you can make flexible timings. Like कभी आप मैथ्स दिन में कर रहे हो, कभी शाम को कर रहे हो, you are practicing legal 3-4 days in a week, that's also enough. So don't be very rigid and don't follow what others are doing mostly, क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है कि you know what your mates are doing, it might be working for them, it might not work for you. My personal experience was mock strategy सबकी यही होती थी कि legal से start करते थे, फिर मैथ्स या CR, फिर GK, फिर इंग्लिश, ऐसा कुछ करते थे. बट फॉर मी आई केप्ट इट वेरी डिफरेंट, क्योंकि मैंने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था. अगर मैं रिजिड रह जाती तो शायद मेरा पेपर भी एंड में क्लियर नहीं होता. रीज़न पेपर बहुत डिफरेंट आया था हमारी एक्सपेक्टेशन से. एंड जो लोग रिजिड रहे, जिन्होंने मैथ्स नहीं करा या ऐसा कुछ भी रिजिड वाला काम करा जो उन्होंने साल भर किया और उन्होंने वही चीज़ फॉलो करी और बिल्कुल अपने आप में फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी नहीं रखी, तो दैट रियली बैकफायर्ड फॉर देम. And trust me when I say it, all of these candidates that I'm talking about, they were good candidates. There are people like you who have been very consistent, who are preparing very nicely, so it does bring a lot of difference. Now the third part, this is like very much I would recommend this personally that you should do, is analyze the level of difficulty from the 2023 CLAT paper and the 2024 CLAT paper. Of course, it's not very related. It's obviously the CLAT paper will be different from both these years, but to analyze and to look at the actual CLAT paper brings a lot of clarity, because we are all from different coachings, we are all following different material, but what is the consortium expecting from us, that also we should be aware of. So analyze the papers thoroughly, and if you can, then analyze from 2021 and 2 as well, although that will not be very relevant, but it might still help you. So never shy away, because this is the mistake that I made. I shied away from looking at the papers because I thought यार बहुत difficult है, मैं देखूँगी तो it will demotivate me. It will not. You should work like a practical person. Since I made that mistake, I don't want you to make that mistake. The thing is, be practical. Look at those papers, analyze the difficulty level, analyze the kind of questions asked, and also try to think about कि वो हमसे चाह क्या रहे हैं, वो हमसे कौन सी skill expect कर रहे हैं to show them in the paper. And mostly जितने भी पेपर्स हों, चाहे वेग हो, डिफ़िकल्ट हो, ईजी हो, वो प्रिटी मच सेम चीज़ें एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं. व्हेन यू विल एनालाइज, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. So do that, and no matter how or when you have started your preparation, if you are watching this video today, try to do it in today or tomorrow itself. And lastly, mistakes in approach that led to a lot of good candidates failing. The thing is, there are 2 or 3 mistakes that I have actually noticed. First one is people who never solved maths. Big mistake, extremely great mistake, because if you're not solving maths main day पे, हमारे पेपर में स्पेशली मैथ्स बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट थी, एंड नहीं करा तो मेन डे पे भी मैथ्स नहीं कर पाए, विच वॉज अ रीज़न कि बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस आ गया मार्क्स में. बिकॉज अगेन 12 मार्क्स की थी मैथ्स, एंड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, बिकॉज मैथ्स ईजी आई थी, इट्स जस्ट दैट कि लेंदी आई थी, तो लोग कर नहीं पाए उसको, एंड एंड में उसने बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस क्रिएट किया. सो आई टोटली रिकमेंड कि रोज़ मैथ प्रैक्टिस करो. आई एम सेइंग this again and again, but do practice maths every day. The second mistake a lot of people have made is practicing or studying a lot of GK, like devoting your 90% time to GK, especially when the paper is near. It's not the correct thing to do. Even I have done this for about a month, and I should say that I've wasted that entire month. भले ही हमारा पेपर कितना ही वेग इरेलीवेंट आया था, बट इट स्टिल मेक्स नो सेंस टू डिवोट ऑल योर टाइम टू जीके, बिकॉज अगेन इट्स जस्ट अ सेक्शन. अगर आप दूसरे सेक्शंस में स्कोर नहीं कर रहे हो तो क्या पॉइंट होगा जीके में स्कोर करने का भी. एंड अगेन द थिंग इज़, द मोर यू स्टडी जीके, इट्स nobody can make sure that you will retain all of it. So when you're studying GK, make sure limit में करो, and give other subjects also the time that they need. And third, I think the biggest mistake ever is not analyzing your mocks, not analyzing your sheets. And even on analysis, although I promised a video, but I again searched up, and there are a lot of good videos, I think better than what I can produce, about analysis. So go and watch those. I'll attach some links in the description. And yeah, do start analyzing your mocks and your sheets if you haven't started yet, because this will lead to a huge difference in marks. Since आपको होता क्या एनालिसिस से, बस बेसिकली यही समझ लो कि अगर आपको अपनी गलतियाँ ही नहीं पता है, आपको सिर्फ अपने मार्क्स पता है एक मॉक के बाद, तो आप अगले मॉक में 2 मार्क्स ज़्यादा ले भी आओगे ना, तो कोई मतलब नहीं है उन 2 एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स का, क्योंकि आपको अपनी गलती तो पता चली ही नहीं, ना आपको गलती पता चली ना आपने सुधारी. सो अगेन इट बिकम्स ऑल पॉइंटलेस. सो do analyze mocks, do analyze your sheets, and that's it for this pep talk video. थोड़ी depressing भी लगी हो तो just understand that I am a senior who's trying to help our juniors out, and telling them what mistakes to not make, which I did, which a lot of my friends did. And okay, all the best. Bye. See you in the next video.